This video is about Comfrey. It's a very controversial plant because of its pyrrolidazine alkaloids that have been found to cause liver damage and cancer in some animals. So the sale of any sort of Comfrey product for oral ingestion is banned by the FDA. However, you can use it as a topical, I guess they call it a poultice for aches and pains, but never internal. So check this out. I got this plant, I got 2 plants last fall from a neighbor, and it's huge. It's huge. Look at that. That leaf is about 18 inches long. So I guess you take these leaves, you put it in water, and you let them sit for, I don't know, a couple weeks, and then you end up with a really good fertilizer. They're really good. And these plants grow so well in Alaska. Out of these 2 plants, there's a whole bunch of vines that are growing. And they say once you plant these, you can't kill them because the roots go very deep, 8 to 10 feet. I don't know. I think I can kill it. Yeah, I think so. I can kill vetch, no problem. So we'll see. But it's really good for your compost, and it makes a great fertilizer. So, and if you want a whole bunch of them, all you have to do is just rototill them, and you'll end up with hundreds.